Now let us see the physical properties of alkali metals. These all alkali metals are silvery, white, soft metals. Remember, they have very low densities due to their very large atomic sizes. Their density, remember, what happens is when we move down, what we find is their density increases down the group. It increases down the group. Only if I see lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. Why I am putting this arrow towards sodium? Because potassium's density is lesser than sodium, otherwise it increases down the group, the reason being the atomic size increases. Now all of these elements, they impart color to the flame, because when they are heated in flame, their outer electrons gets excited to higher energy level, and when they comes back, the different amount of energy is released in the form of EM radiations. And what you need to know is that yes, lithium is having the crimson red color, sodium is having the yellow color flames, potassium is having violet color, rubidium is having red violet, and cesium is having blue coloration. So these are their coloration, flame colorations. So therefore they can also be easily identified by their flame coloration, because these colors are very specific to these elements. So these are their general physical properties.